Alright, hello everybody. I think we're up and going here. So my plan for this video series is to just get a random command and we're just going to figure it out, see what it does. I think for this first video, I'm just going to pick easy commands, just so we can kind of get a feel of how the timing of stuff goes. So if I skip a command, that's just because I don't think it'd be a good one for my first video. So let's check this stuff out. Get random command, little helper function that I wrote. And today our first function is add node keys. What? Add node keys. I've never seen this one before. Where does this come from? Add node keys. PS desired state configuration. Get help. Add node keys. Okay, we take a resource key, keyword name. Let's do this again with an example. Give me an example. No example. Alright. Bad first choice. Let's clear the screen and let's just try again. Get random command. Let's give me something fun. And Import-PackageProvider. Ooh. So Import-PackageProvider is for the PowerShell get modules, if I'm correct. So let's check out get package provider and list available, and these are the package providers that I should be able to import. I didn't even know GIST was one. That's interesting. So if we try import package provider name GIST, can I just do this? Yay, it worked, except I don't know what it did. Get help, import package provider, and we're going to, not a whole lot on this one, is there? It takes minimum version, name, stream. Yeah, I just might be missing some help. Let's try that. Update, help. And, alright, so that was a bust. And I'm not an admin. I thought they fixed that. Am I just doing this too soon? Oh, that's in a feature release. Well, let's just do that real quick. Let's update some help. Where's administrator? Yes. Can we get a little bit bigger, please? Properties. Font. Let's go. 18. That's a 24. I will just keep going until it fits the screen, right? Okay. What? No, that might be just right. Update. Help. Go verbose. Let's see something here. Alright. I thought this would be a cool way to experiment and try new commands. And I'm undecided if I should do one video per command. That way I can just drop the commands I don't like. Or if we would just want to, where's my help at? Get help. hey here. Okay. Yeah, so I don't know if I want to do like a commandlet per video or just run this and see how this goes. So let's focus down here. Hello. Now my screen is. God. Okay. Let's do. Good job. Adds package management providers to the current session. The Import-PackageProvider commandlet adds one or more package providers to the current session. The one I import must be installed on the local computer. Okay, I can import it. If I just do a get package provider, there's the ones that are loaded. So I guess, I don't know. I don't know this well enough to actually talk about it, I guess. TSD. I don't know. Let's do one more command and see how that goes. So, Control K, clear history, and let's do get random command again. And who's our hero this time? Remove type data. Oh, okay. So you have the ability to add or import type data, and type data is the features around I don't know, customizing type data, I guess. Let's do this. Let's do I think. Oh, can I not do that? I thought I could do that. Huh. I'll do it this way, I guess. Can't be reached. I need to spell things correctly. Maybe they actually have some content here. Alright. PS custom object. Type data. Update type data. So you can use type data to specify like default display property sets. So if you have an object that has a lot of things and I want a few of them to return, we could use a command like this to, heck, let's just do that. Let's take something simple and get back into VS Code here. And I don't care about the keyboard shortcuts. I do want to save this as test.ps1. And what's a good object? Let's do this. Let's take this. Let's do get. Let's do get or get member. Yeah, I don't care about that. I just want. Why is Visual Studio? Oh. There we go. So take this type name here. If I put my type name in here, if I only want to see, say, name and full name on this object. Alright, so let's go back down here and look. So if I do a ls, I have these files in this folder, right? Or directory, or I should say get child item. I have these files. Now, if I update type data, if I run this with F8, I've now changed the default display property set for this session. So if I do a get child item, now, because I ran this code and I made this change, what? I expected something else here. I'm just going to assume that the type data, run this one more time. 8. Oh, an error. Okay, it's already present. It's already ran it once. I guess there must be the native types already have a default out there. Boy, that was a bust. Alright, let's try something else. My object. So to do the full demo then, I'm going to say object equals PS custom object, and we will do name equals test, full name equals workspace test.ps1 test.ps1. Alright, and I'll have other data. And that's awesome. There's another trick here I want to grab real quick. And I just want to set the PS type names on this guy to match my object right here. So if I run this now, F8, if we look at down here, object by, that was weird. I want this actually. I need the comma. Alright. Do that again. I do object now. Okay. So now I have this typeset. These are the defaults, right? That's actually everything I specified. Type name, I'm just naming my object. If I do object I'm not gonna check it. There's a way to check those. So now if I update this type data, F8, and run object now, I only see those two properties. If I do a select star, they're all in there. About the star. So the properties are there, but by setting that type data, by default, it's there. Now, our command was remove type data, remove type data, type name, my object. Can I just do this? Now do object, and that puts it back to the way it was. So, yay, we got one to work. Remove type data undoes whatever we did with update type data. So, that's kind of cool. Let's go ahead and save that one. Save history, path, remove type data, description. Let's say we said create an example that first uses update type data and then uses remove type data. And let's name this guy here Markdown. Alright. So that's long enough for this video. I'm probably gonna make a couple of these, so I'm gonna stop this one right here. And let's keep going.